Hey students, no teachers show you how to do this really fast and easy. It's called the secret cross multiplying, but a lot of students don't understand how to cross multiply. So let me tell you something about the cross multiplying. Cross multiplying, cross means you're crossing to the other side of the equal sign, and then you get multiplied. Now the secret is if you're on top, you go to the bottom, so you get multiplied into the bottom when you cross the equal sign. If you're on the bottom and you cross the equal sign, you have to get multiplied to the top. So how does that work? Let's go to the first question, and trust me, if you learn how to do this, lots of things become easier in math. So here, this 8, it's on top because all of this is on top of 1. So if this 8 crosses, then it has to cross and go to the bottom, and so cross multiply it to the bottom. Then you're isolating the x already, and you have 2. 8 times 3 is 24. And then, of course, you need to simplify this by reducing, and that gives you 1/12. That's how easy it is. Now, let's go to the next one. Cross multiplying. So the 4, we need it to cross because we want to isolate the x. So the 4, when it crosses, it's on the bottom, it goes to the top. So what's going to do, it's going to cross to the top because that's on top of 1. 5 is on top of 1, and it gets multiplied. So therefore, x equals 20 because 4 times 5 is 20. Now, how about here? Here, you have the 2/3 with the x, and we want to isolate the x. So both of these have to cross. So therefore, x is isolated now. 3 gets crosses and goes to the top. 3 times 1 is 3. And 2 crosses goes to the 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Now, my last question, can we cross multiply right away? No, you can't. Change this to improper fraction first, and then you could cross multiply. So changing to improper fraction, you go 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So this gives you 3/2 equals 2x. Now, can we cross multiply when the x is on the right-hand side of the equal sign? Of course, you could do that. So now the 2 is on top because everything is on top of 1. So if it crosses, it goes to the bottom. So it's going to go right there. It's multiplied, of course, cross multiply. So you got to get 3/4 equals x. And this is how simple it is. Lots of students, when they have these kind of questions, but here they get stuck. What do we multiply everything by? Do we divide everything by 8? If we divide everything by 8, do I put everything here over 8? And then they get stuck. Learn this. Trust me, it will save you a lot of time. It makes algebra a lot easier than what you've been taught in school. Enjoy this method. Use it. It will help you a great deal from grade 7 all the way to grade 12. And I bet you even some students in grade 12 are not able to do this. So check it out.